Hey guys, it's Tom and Christina from the street team.
We're going to show you how to check out a backpack from Parks and Rec.
Two backpacks, please. Alright guys, we got our backpacks and we're gonna go to Flat Fork now and go explore.
Hey guys, we made it to Flat Fork.
In one piece.
So let's see what we have in the adult bags. We have a map of all the parks in here. We have a trail and park system guide. We have high-def binoculars. And we have magnifying glasses.
So here we have the teen backpack and we're gonna see what's in there. We have a net, a pop-up portabug. We also have a map of all the different areas that you can use this with. You have more binoculars, samples, and then there's a magnifying glass so you can inspect them. Got a magnifying glass. So Christina and I have started our trek along Flat Fork to go up this huge hill, and we are so glad that we have our backpacks because we're gonna have an amazing view. Rare species caterpillar. I'm gonna use my magnifying glass to check it out. Hey Christina, where are we going?
Let me check my map. We're going this way.
Okay.
Tom, look, a creek.
No way! So now that we're at the creek, we're gonna see if we can catch any fish. I got one.
What did you catch, Tom?
A bug.
Don't forget, guys, once you're done, you need to bring your bags back to where you got them, which is the Parks and Rec department.
Be sure that you don't forget anything that you had before, which means the binoculars, the map, everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to pick up your backpacks over at the Parks Department today.